I want to invite Jeff and Crystal to come down. They're going to help me with this next sequence. I'm an avid reader, and I'm always writing down quotes from books and anything I'm reading, if it strikes a certain chord with me. And I call them words of wisdom. And I've got files and folders, and people are starting to send them to me now, too. But I put a few together here, and we're going to let the images run. I want you to kick back and listen to the words and think about what they mean to you, of course, what these words might mean to this home of ours, too, this planet.
The best in nature, like the best in art, is sacred. Look upon it respectfully, reverentially, or not at all. Even the wild beasts know that much. Joaquin Miller in 1888.
Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Gary Snyder.
Those who contemplate the beauty of the earth find resources of strength that will endure as long as life lasts. Rachael, Carson.
When we're on the land, in communion, in community, we remember that nothing exists in isolation. Terry Tempest Williams.
The needs of the planet are the needs of the person, and therefore the rights of the person are the rights of the planet. Theodore Roszak.
Until we extend the circle of our compassion to all living things, we will not ourselves find peace. Dr. Albert Schweitzer.
I am glad I shall never be young without wild country to be young in. Of what avail are 40 freedoms without a blank spot on the map? Aldo, Leopold. If you don't care where you are, then you ain't lost. Daniel Boone.
How'd that get in there?
A civilization which destroys what little remains of the wild, the spare, the original, is cutting itself off from its origins and betraying the principle of civilization itself. Edward Abbey.
If future generations are to remember us with gratitude rather than contempt, we must leave them something more than the miracles of our technology. We must leave them a glimpse of the world as it was in the beginning, not just after we got through with it. President Lyndon B. Johnson, upon signing the Wilderness Act of 1964. Seeds. After porcupine.
Freedom is when the people can speak. Democracy is when the government listens. Alistair Farrugia.
It is our task, in our time and in our generation, to hand down undiminished to those who come after us the natural wealth and beauty which is ours. John F. Kennedy. Misty Creek.
The care of rivers is not a question of rivers, but of the human heart. Tanaka Shozo.
Love this river, stay by it, learn from it. It seemed to him that whoever understood this river and its secrets would understand much more, many secrets, all secrets. Hermann Hesse in Siddhartha.
I am only one, but still I am one. I cannot do everything, but still I can do something. I will not refuse to do the something I can do. Helen Keller.
As part of our obligation to our own being and to our descendants is to study life and our conditions, searching always for the authentic underpinnings of hope. Wendell Berry.
The gift of hope makes every person, as well as the whole family of humanity, very valuable. The vision of future rightness sends back a stamp of rightness into the present. Louis B. Smedes.
Wilderness is a place where things work like they're supposed to work. I said that. That word hope was sprinkled in amongst a few of those words of wisdom. And there is hope. There's hope as long as there are those of us who listen to the earth. Life we could live. Oh, what a life we could live. If we could walk this land with respect for all. Oh, what a life we could live. Oh, what a life we could live. Get out there, enjoy those beautiful places, and keep it wild.